Hi, we are students from Salem Lutheran School in Stillwater. This year, in November, we received 500 brown trout eggs. We did an experiment where we put our trout in two different tanks. In one tank, the water was at 45 degrees and the other at 55 degrees. The question we asked was, what temperature do trout grow best at? We made a prediction that trout would grow better at the tank with the higher temperature because we thought that in nature, with warmer water, the growing season is longer. To do this experiment, we had to take care of the fish by changing water, testing the water, feeding the fish, and by weighing them. Every day before school, we go and change water. To do this, we take a siphon and clean out the rocks. We take 2 3-gallon buckets out and put 2 back in. Then we fill up some more buckets and treat the water with chemicals and then let them sit for at least 1 day. Then we had to test the water for pH, high range pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. To do this, we take a test tube and fill it with 5 milliliters of water from the tank. Then we put some chemicals in and shake our invert, and then we look at what color it turns. We have a color sheet where we can see how high the levels are, and then we chart them. The fish, we have to feed both tanks different amounts since there are more in one tank than the other. So in one tank, we feed 1/4 teaspoon of food, and in the other we feed 1/8 teaspoon. And we did this twice a day until the nitrite levels got too high, so they went to once a day. After a while, we go back to twice a day and then switch again. When we weigh the fish, we have a small scale we use. First, we fill a cup with water and put it on the scale and write its weight down. Then we take 5 random fish from the tank and put them in the cup and weigh it again. Then we take the number from the second time we weighed and subtract it from the first time we weighed with the water, and we have the weight of 5 fish. The results from our experiment are that the fish average higher weight in the warm temperature with 7 grams for 5 fish compared to 5.7 grams. Some of the variables that may have affected this experiment are the care that we have given the fish per tank, the amount of food, and the temperature of the water in the smaller tank fluctuated more.